Yes, my guys, I come back to you. Now let us see if we are solve this problem or not. As you see, it's turn on, and turn on. Let me now see, to make it clear to you. You can see that turn off, and turn off, turn on again, turn on again, as you see that. So what is the problem? Let me now explain it to you. How was the problem and how we are solve it. Okay, yes, the problem was inside this contactor. The coil inside this contactor is 240 volts. You should replace it to 24 volt. Actually, how we converted 240 volt to 24 volt is this from transformer. So now I will replace the coil inside contactor and I come back to you. Yes, now after I replace these wires, now I will try to open this contactor to yeah, you listen to the sound. It is mean, yeah, okay. And from other side also. I am sorry if what is that? I will replace it. I will come back. Yes, my guys, I replace it. See this? Okay, you see that? We will replace this coil. This coil is 24 volt. 24 volt AC of course. We will replace it to I'm sorry, this coil is 240 volt. We will replace it to 24 volt. How we know that it is 240 volt? Actually, it's from the name here. I hope it's clear. I don't know. Maybe you see that it's this sample here, M7 and 220 volt. Here, this sample we see it here is for Schneider. Actually, when we say M7 in Schneider, that means 220 volt. So let us replace it and come back. Yes, my guys, we replace this coil as you see. Of course, I turn off the circuit breaker. Yeah, it's M7 as you see. I will put other one. It is let me pick it like this, 24 volt B7. Let me now put it here. Yes, it's good. Now let me take, where is, actually where I put it? Let me put this. Come back. Yeah, it's good. Let's now turn on.